Hello everyone. So if you want to customize your Telegram chat themes, here's how to do that. So first of all, you gotta open up your Telegram, of course, and choose the desired conversation. There we are. So how do we do it? This works pretty much for all of the phones, for Android and iOS systems. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here you simply gotta press change wallpaper. So now you have a choice. You can switch this chat to the night mode or to the day mode. You can choose from one of the proposed themes. For example, this one, press apply theme, and that's how it will look like. So as you see, everything else looks the same. This chat has a custom theme. However, you can go even further with a customization. So you're to tap on the three dots once again. You're to press change wallpaper, and you're to press choose wallpaper from the gallery. So you can combine theme and wallpaper. For example, we'll have this cat as a wallpaper. You can apply it for you, or if you have a Telegram Premium, you can apply it for the messenger who's texting you. You can blur it, you can make it an emotion. I want it classic, you can make it dimming, you can make it lighter. If you're gonna paint here, you can do some adjustments, like you can rotate it, for example. You can crop it. Let's have it like this. Press OK. Now press apply for me, and basically that's it. Now you have a wallpaper. So that's how it works. Also, there are some channels with some themes. However, you have to do your own research about that. So basically, that's it. If you want to unapply theme, press change wallpaper, press no theme, press reset theme. That's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.